you smile, you look so beautiful. See the way you find, you look so natural. Baby, when you touch, it's so magical. Everything you do, it's so wonderful. They say love is blind, but I can see it in you.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The hair I will be using in making this video, the both hair are from trendytresses.com. Details of the hair will be in the description box below. What I will do, I will first of all use their free spirited coils, and then I will share one strand into 3 sections. And then after using the free spirited coils, I will use their Island coils 1B and the color 33. I used 5 packs to achieve this look. For this video, I know you guys will be wondering, saying this is Summer, why she decided to have big hair like this. I filmed this video during winter time, and it's just that I was not having time, and that is why I upload it on summer time. This is their river coils. Very pretty. The hair is very soft, and the hair I showed in this video, all the details will be in the description box below. And don't forget, the hair I featured in this video are from trendytresses.com. For the Island coils, color 1B and the color 33, I also used 5 packs to achieve the look. Don't forget that this hair is from trendytresses.com. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. A lot of you guys sent me messages asking me why I am not uploading as usual. Guys, I will be back and I will try to be uploading frequently as usual. If you enjoyed and you find this video helpful, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Peace.
Peace sign.